Run the code online or download from codegive.com, link in the description below. Sign up or log in. Save your chat history, share chats, and personalize your experience. Certainly. Below is an informative tutorial on how to print line numbers in Python with code examples. Printing line numbers along with the content of each line can be helpful for debugging, analyzing log files, or simply for better understanding the structure of your code. Python provides a few different ways to accomplish this task. The enumerate function in Python is commonly used to iterate over a sequence while keeping track of the index of each item. We can utilize this function to print line numbers along with the lines of a file or a list. In both examples, enumerate is used to iterate over lines in a file or a list, and the start parameter is set to 1 to start numbering from 1 instead of 0. Another way to print line numbers is by using a counter variable. In this example, a counter variable line underscore number is initialized to 1. It is then incremented within the loop to keep track of the line numbers. The line cache module in Python provides a simple interface to get any line from a Python source file, while caching the file contents. Although primarily used for debugging purposes, we can utilize this module to print line numbers along with the lines. In this example, the lineCache.getLine function is used to retrieve each line from the file along with its line number. Printing line numbers in Python can be achieved using various methods, including enumerate, counter variables, or utilizing the lineCache module. Choose the method that best suits your requirements and coding style. These techniques can be particularly useful when dealing with file input/output, debugging, or analyzing text data.